In today's video lecture, we are going to learn while loop in Java. So let's start today's video lecture. While loop in Java. The Java while loop is used to iterate a part of the program several times if the number of iteration is not fixed. It is recommended to use while loop. It means if you don't know how many times you have to iterate the part of the program, then you will use while loop. This is the syntax of the while loop. While, then you give the condition, and this is the code to be executed. This is the flowchart for the while loop. First, it will check the condition. If the condition is true, then the statement will be executed. If condition is false, it will not execute the condition. It will execute the statement, then again check the condition. If it is again true, then it will execute the statement. So Java while loop example. So here we are printing the value from 1 to 10 by using the while loop. So for printing the value by using the while loop, first we need to initialize the variable which we have initialized by 1. Then we are checking the condition I less than equal to 10, and we are printing the value, and we are increasing the value of I. So this will print the value from 1 to 10, and the output will be come 1 to 10. Let's see with the practical. So now here we have pasted the code which we have shown in the slide, and when we will run this code, it will print the value from 1 to 10. So you can see it will print the value from 1 to 10. So this is the example of while loop. Java infinity while loop. If you pass true in the while loop, it will be infinity while loop. Syntax while true and the code to be executed. For example, if you run this program, then it will print infinity while loop end time. And if you want to exit from this loop, then you will have to use Ctrl C. Okay, let's see with the practical. Suppose here we will give true, and okay, we will remove it, and if we print some message here like hi, and we save it and we run it, you can see it will print the hi n number of times. If you want to stop it, you can use Ctrl C, or either you can exit it from here. So friends, thank you for watching this video lecture. In this video lecture, we learn while loop. In the next lecture, we'll learn a new control flow statement.